Are you looking to treat yourself to a luxurious getaway in Southeast Nigeria? Or maybe you're planning a trip and want nothing but the best for your stay? Well, we've got you covered. Today on Ebonyi People TV, we are talking about the very best hotels in the region. Places where luxury, comfort, and top star service come together to give you an unforgettable experience. Now, let's be real. These hotels are not your budget-friendly options. Nah, they come with a price tag. But trust us, every naira spent in this hotel is worth it for the quality, comfort, and opulence you'll enjoy. Ready to dive into some of the finest spots to unwind and recharge? Let's get you started. Stick around because you're about to make your travel bucket list way more exciting. Number 1. Auckland Hotels in Enugu State. If you're in Enugu and craving a mix of luxury and fun, Auckland Hotels and Amusement Park is the place to be. This 7th floor, 50-room, 4-star hotel is located in a serene environment that screams relaxation with ultra-modern finishes. Auckland is perfect for solo retreats, group hangouts, or family getaways. What's even cooler, it's super close to some of Enugu's hotspots like ShopRite and Ibano Tunnel. Plus, it's just a short drive from the airport. Whether you're in for the comfy rooms or the amusement park vibes, Auckland guarantees maximum pleasure and satisfaction. Trust me, you'll leave with unforgettable memories. Number 2. Ibom Waterfalls and Resorts. Now, let's take a trip to Arochukwu, a historic Igbo town in Abia State, tucked away in the peaceful Ibom village. The Ibom Waterfalls and Resort is a treasure trove of adventure and relaxation. This spot is perfect for sightseeing, hiking, and immersing yourself in Igbo culture. Imagine exploring the stunning Ibom waterfalls and the legendary 39 steps with breathtaking views and nature all around. Plus, the Arochukwu Kingdom offers cultural highlights like the famous Long Juju Shrine and historic landmarks that will blow your mind, with experienced tour guides ready to show you the best spots. This place is every explorer's dream. 3. Grand Chizette Hotels and Suites. If you're in Owerri in Imo State, you absolutely need to check out Grand Chizette Hotels and Suites. This hotel redefines luxury with its spacious, comfy rooms and top-tier finishes. Everything about this place, from the calming atmosphere to the lush fabrics, is designed to keep you comfortable. Need a break from life's hustle? Grand Chizette is your perfect escape. Enjoy every exclusive hospitality, soak in the relaxing vibes, and experience a good night's rest like never before. Seriously, this is the kind of place that makes you want to extend your stay. 4. Willowwood Hotels, Owerri. Also, in Owerri, we have the classy Willowwood Hotels, a top-notch establishment owned by former Governor Rochas Okorocha. This hotel oozes sophistication and offers a great balance of comfort and elegance. Whether you're visiting for business or pleasure, Willowwood has got you covered. And lastly, we have the BON Hotels Platinum. Let's talk about the prestigious Bon Hotels Platinum in Enugu. This 5-star gem sits in the quiet part of the historic coal city and is just 8 kilometers from the Enugu airport, with 74 beautifully designed rooms, some overlooking a serene pool. BON Hotels is the perfect home away from home. The amenities are top tier, including free Wi-Fi, a hot tub, a sun terrace, and an on-site restaurant and bar. Whether you are in town for work or leisure, Bon Hotels will treat you like royalty. So, which of these incredible destinations is calling your name? Are you team luxury, adventure, or a mix of both? Drop a comment below and let us know. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Ebonyi People TV for more insider tips and guides to the best spots in the Southeast Nigeria. Until next time, keep watching Ebonyi People TV.